concerns about the lack of rainfall.
Yes, absolutely. Good morning to you, Naga and Charlie. Good morning to you at home as well. We are looking at a mostly dry weekend. No useful rainfall over the next couple of days where we could really do with it across much of southern England and Wales too. But there are a few showers in the forecast. I'll get to that a little bit later on, but they'll be mainly in the north and the west tomorrow. So yes, again, it is hot. It is sunny as well. And of course, we are in drought across parts of England. Just take a look at this. This shows when it last rained for some areas. Odium in Hampshire, 43 dry days they've had without the rainfall. But quite widely, there's been very little in the way of rainfall over the past 6 weeks or so for much of southern England and Wales. And we have, of course, still got the amber extreme heat warning out for the rest of the weekend across central and southern England into East Wales too. So implications to heat-related illnesses and perhaps problems with travel and infrastructure as well. Now, there is a little bit of low cloud. There's lapping on the coast of northeast England, eastern Scotland, up towards the Northern Isles with a few spots of rain and a bit of low cloud for the north of Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, we're looking at strong sunshine, really lifting those temperatures. So the mid to high 20s across Northern Ireland and Scotland, the 30s for much of England and Wales, 36 degrees or so for the hottest spots in the southeast, a little bit cooler around the east coast with the breeze coming in from the North Sea. But through this evening and tonight, it stays dry and clear. We've got a bit more cloud again across the northeast of the UK overnight, but it's going to be pretty warm with temperatures sticking in the mid to high teens. So quite a muggy start to your Sunday morning. Now through the day tomorrow then, just a hint of things starting to change. A few showers moving in for the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland, perhaps one or two in the far southwest of England as well. If you do catch some of these showers, they could be heavy and thundery, so frequent lightning and large hail around too. But towards central and eastern parts of England, it stays dry and hot once again. 36 degrees for London, for Cardiff as well. It's just later on Sunday and overnight into Monday that we could see some of those showers becoming more extensive. So into next week, eventually a change on the cards. Things will start to turn cooler and there'll be some thundery downpours too. As is the nature of these showers though, they are fairly hit and miss. So I think we're not all going to be seeing the rain that we so desperately need. Couple of different areas of low pressure though starting to move in into the start of next week from the south and the west too. So that does mean we're going to be seeing some more unsettled weather on the cards. I think Monday still hot in the south, 31 degrees still for London. That'll be the 8th consecutive day above 30 degrees. But you can see some shower symbols on the chart here. We could well see some heavy, some thundery ones. A lot of rain falling in quite a small space of time though could bring some localised flooding. Charlie and Naga.